Here's some ecological awareness trivia. Subscribe. What pigment gives plants their green color? Is it A, melanin, B, xanthophyll, C, chlorophyll, or D, carotene? The correct answer is C, chlorophyll. What gas do trees absorb from the atmosphere? Is it A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, methane, or D, carbon dioxide? The correct answer is D, carbon dioxide. Which layer of Earth contains biodiversity? Is it A, biosphere, B, geosphere, C, atmosphere, or D, lithosphere? The correct answer is A, biosphere. What process do plants use to convert sunlight into energy? Is it A, photosynthesis, B, respiration, C, fermentation, or D, transpiration? The correct answer is A, photosynthesis. Which gas is primarily responsible for climate change? Is it A, methane, B, helium, C, hydrogen, or D, oxygen? The correct answer is A, methane. Which animal is known for helping pollinate flowers? Is it A, bat, B, ant, C, bee, or D, beetle? The correct answer is C, bee. Which substance primarily impacts ozone depletion? Is it methane, B, nitrogen oxides, CCFCs, or D, HCFCs? The correct answer is CFCs. What phenomenon describes rising global temperatures? Is it A, ocean currents, B, solar eclipse, C, ice age, or D, global warming? The correct answer is D, global warming. What name is given to an ecosystem found in tundra regions? Is it A, taiga, B, rainforest, C, desert, or D, savanna? The correct answer is taiga. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.